This is the wood pattern mass produced by our factory. On one side, it is the wood color. On the other side, it is black color. See, the thickness is 25 millimeters. It can be used for taekwondo and some other sports. The size is 1 meter long, 1 meter wide. Look, the pattern is beautiful. Let's see from another part. On the other side, it is black color. Look, very good quality. This is its edges. We produce 4,000 pieces of mass every day. We have lots of mass in stock. If you want to buy, please write to me. We not only have the wood pattern mass, we have many other types. We sell to Europe and America, Australia. We can also do other color. This is green and yellow. This is the yellow and black. This is yellow and blue.